Somebody asked me before about the adaptive cruise control on a Santa Fe and I totally forgot to do it. So anyway, in this video I'm just going to show you a step-by-step demonstration how to use the adaptive cruise control on this model of Santa Fe. So when you're cruising in the car, it doesn't have to be a motorway. Just in this example I'm using a motorway, but once you're at 60, 70, 80, 100 kilometers an hour, you're driving along, and what you do is you get to a point where you think, I don't want to use my foot on the accelerator, I want the car to cruise at a specific speed. So over here I press this display. You don't have to do this part, I think it's easier. So just press the display along here using this button, and you'll see the menu toggling in the center, and it'll toggle all the way to the left hand side menu, and that's actually useful for the adaptive cruise, you'll see in a minute. So once you get set up and you think you're going to go for cruise, just hit this button here. That makes it available. It doesn't start it, just makes it available. And then the next thing, so you'll see on the screen, it'll pop up where it has the cruise control bits of information, and then we want to press this downwards to set it, and that means now the cruise control is set. So that means you can take your foot off the accelerator and the car will maintain the speed for you. When you're at speed, you can actually vary the speed. So looking at this button over here, you can toggle upwards or downwards, and that'll actually speed up or slow down the car without you having to touch the accelerator or the brake. Okay, so the next thing is the adaptive part. See, there's a car up ahead here. I want to set the part where it's adaptive. That means it's going to follow the car in front. So it's pretty straightforward. All you do is there's only one button over here in the bottom right. You tap that, and then you can see on the binnacle, you can see the distance is changing about how far you're going to stay behind the car in front. So you set the distance that you want, and it'll pretty much respect that. So in this case here, there's a van that's in front of me. In this case, okay, I'm quite far away, but then I can press that same button and I can toggle it again to bring me closer to the car in front. So in other words, when they slow down, I'm also going to slow down. When they speed up, I'm also going to speed up. Now in certain cases then you might be sick of following the car in front, and you might just want to get back up to 120 because I'm at 100 kilometers an hour here. So what we're going to do in that case is you don't have to change anything on the settings. You just go for the fast lane and the car will now automatically get you back up to 120. Because I'd set it at 120, it was only doing 100 because the truck in front of me in this case was doing 100. So hopefully that makes a bit more sense. What you're doing basically is saying, I want to go max, in this case 120 kilometers an hour, and if something's in front of me, the car will regulate the speed until it has the opportunity to do 120 again. So basically that's how you use the cruise control and adaptive cruise control function on the Santa Fe. One other thing I forgot to say, if you want to cancel it, so while you're driving, if you literally hit this button here, or if you just hit the brake, that'll actually cancel the cruise control when you're finished using it. Anyway, hopefully they find the video useful. Thanks for watching.